everyone this way. Oh, come on.
What's up, Top Gun fans? Here we are at premiere day of Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning. Are you guys excited to watch this movie? Are you guys excited? Hey, this is a family event, so I'm obviously out here supporting Tom. I'm supporting Tarzan, Simon, everyone. I appreciate y'all. Check it out. It's gonna be crazy.
Hi, it's Simon. I'm here at the premiere of Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1 in New York City. Very excited.
Hey, what's up? This is Greg Tarzan Davis, aka Big Guy, and Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1. We're out here in New York. I'm so excited for everybody to see this film. It comes out, and look at Palm, looking all good over there in that red. Lady in a red dress. God dang.
Can we see the front of the dress, please? Show it off, girl. Beautiful.
Step down. There's like 40 to the right. To the right. To the right. To the right. Step down to the center. There you go. Down the middle. There you go.
To your left.
Next camera. Next camera. There you go.
Oh, keep us coming.
And over here. You think this is good? When do you see the movie?
Stay right there, Rebecca. Yeah, yeah.
Straight ahead.
Rebecca, feel
Step down towards the middle.
Rebecca, will last with the stick?
Straight ahead.
As you walk, Rebecca.
Gorgeous. Right in the center. To your left, please.
And Rebecca, straight ahead of you.
To your left, right here. Down the middle.
Just like that, straight ahead.
Beautiful.
Hold on.
Here in the center. Right in the center.
Beautiful smile this way.
Right in the center.
Just focus straight ahead. As you walk. Harry. And Haley, straight ahead of you.
Down the middle. Down the middle. Eyes down the middle, please.
Why am I getting a flash?
Killer smile, straight ahead, Haley.
Hey, look at this.
Straight ahead, Haley.
Go in the center, sir.
Straight ahead.
We love you. Well done.
Center, Vanessa.
In the middle. Right in the middle. Right in the middle.
Vanessa. And Vanessa, right in the center.
Carrie, look at this. Aha. Carrie's pretty dead stick. That's it, just like that.
Now I know what the problem is. Me.
Carrie, right here. Carrie.
That's it. Perfect. Down the middle.
Yeah, Lisa, straight ahead, please.
And turn it back this way, Tom. There's one back here. Ooh, beautiful. Thank you.
We're really busy, guys. Really good.
Great.
Oh my God. Right here, Vanessa.
Thank you so much.
What an amazing. I'm really busy. Sorry, 2 seconds.
I just need to see faces. Good. And we're going wide. Here we go.
An extraordinarily talented actor who we first encountered in Top Gun Maverick.
Charisma to burn, charm to burn, and talent to burn.
Lots to burn.
Lots to burn.
Just an incredibly talented individual, and again, somebody we're excited for you to see, Greg Tarzan Davis. Look at him, he's doing it. He just does it.
Such a gifted actress. Palm, Clemencia. Palm. I'm very grateful that you all are here. I'm very grateful that you all came on the journey. You're amazing, and I really thank you. Thank you. That's a lot of talent on the stage.
Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other topics from Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment, then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest video.